What you got, puppy? What you got? What you doing? What you doing? You sad boy. Get up on. Is he laying on his poop? I hear it farting, puppy.
Oh, it's here.
Oh, that's better than the bone.
Squeak it, squeak it.
Okay, a bird just slammed right into our window. Simba. No. Okay, no bird. Okay, good. You're just sniffing the spot. Okay, you smell bird. Bird's gone. Bird's safe. Oh! You got it. You got it. Oh, did you get that bird? Did you get it? Okay, bird's safe. Good boy. A safe bird. A windy day. I think the wind blew a pigeon right into the window. Okay, puppy. All done. Let's go inside. It's windy. It's windy in Vegas. It's blowing my plants down.